Hello, this is a quick video just to show you how you can survive in Belgrade. Belgrade is a beautiful city. I grew up there, but unfortunately in the last several years and especially in the last several months it has a huge problem with air pollution. So as a person who likes to ride the bike, okay, let's switch the camera, try to switch it. Okay, I will do this. As a person who rides the bike, even during winter, now it's 3 Celsius centigrades, you need to wear something like this. It's PM 2.5 filter. Actually, I have a better mask, but this one I lost it, and this is the important part, filter, and that will enable you to drive a bike or actually move during the episodes of high air pollution. So you need to have this one. It's PM 2.5 and 95, which means, or N99, which means that is the percentage of particulate matter that is filtered. So again, I was born in Belgrade, beautiful town, and the air is fresh, it's beautiful, but unfortunately, due to different reasons, I will not mention it now, we have major environmental problems with air quality. Okay, so again, wear this and let's say that you can be safe. I'm going to continue my bike ride. Thank you.